So now friends, in this video we will learn about how we merge query with multiple column in Excel. So we will multiple query columns in Excel. How we will do that? Let's see with some data which we already have in this sheet. So like if we will go here, we have some data, like we have some data of customers where we have a first name, then last name and their products they purchase. And in the second table we have first name is there, last name is there, and the city is there, and beside that their phone number and age is also given there. So like what we need, we want this data to be added here, or either in a new like we have a new sheet, and in that new sheet we have a added column with that, which include your city, phone number and age with first name and last name. So in this case we have to take multiple column to verify, because first name can't be the same in every case. Like sometime first name, two people can have the same first name. So in this case we will take both first name and last name as a common way of finding the solution of for merging the data. So let's check out. So first of all we will go to data, and then we will go to new query, not new query, we will go to the table, from tables, and just convert this into table and click here my table as a header, because we already have a header here, and press OK. So now Power Query editor is open and in this Power Query editor we have a table 1. So we will give it a name, customer data, and just go here in the close button, close and load, and go to close and load to, and create a connection. We don't need it back, create it into table again. So we only create a connection and just load this. After loading this we go to the second, and going to the second we again convert it into a table. So we go to the data, and from tables my table as a header, and press OK. So this will also be converted into a Power Query editor, and just give it the name customer. I will just write customer detail. So this is the detail that we want with our customer data which we have. And then I will go to the home tab again, and then to the close and load, and just create a connection again here, and only create a connection and create load. Now we have a connection with this. Now we have to merge them together. These two tables need to be merged. So what we will do, I will just go to the data again, and then from new query I go to combine queries and merge. A new window will appear, and from here I will take the data first query, which is our customer data, which is your first name, last name and product, and in the second I will take customer detail. So from here we have to take two columns, so first name and last name. So first of all I will click on first name and click, and then I will click last name. So how we will select them? We have to click control from a keyboard and click from mouse. So first I will select first name and last name, and in the same sequence I have to select it from the customer detail. So only then we are able to create a connection. So click from our keyboard, press on our first name, then I click last name, and then I will click OK. So now we have a customer table which is added to our first table. So second table will be connected with the first table. Now we need whatever data we need. We have to click here and select whichever data we need. We don't need first name, we don't need last name, and in this case we need city, phone and age number. We do not need a prefix also. Use original column as prefix, we don't need that. So I will just remove that and press OK. So now we have new column added with our data, which is our city, phone number, age. So all these data are here. Now I will just press close and load, and after doing that we have a new table created where we have our first name and all the data. Now whatever changes we will make here, that will be added to our second. Like if we will see the data, how much data we have, we have 156 data here. If I will add one more, suppose if I will add one more here, okay, I will just check it out. Okay, oh sorry. So now I will just put enter and add one more data here again. I will put the same name, otherwise things will Rohit. I will write Rohit here, Rohit Walia, and just put the data there and press enter. Then I will go to the sheet and just refresh it, and now I will go to my down arrow key, so all the data of Rohit will be added automatically from both tables. So this is the benefit of having like merging two datas, so which is more easier than VLOOKUP and not complex like that. So in this way we can connect two tables together from the same sheet or either from the different sheets also. That's all from this video.